Is your WhatsApp acting up, or do you just need the newest features? Here are the 2 fast, foolproof ways to update WhatsApp on your iPhone. Method 1 is the standard way. Open up the App Store and tap search in the bottom corner and type in WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp Messenger. If you see a blue update button, tap it. Once it finishes downloading, you're good to go. But what if the update is stuck, or it's asking for an Apple ID password you forgot, or the app is just glitching? Here's method 2, the offload trick. Open your iPhone settings. Tap General. And then iPhone Storage. Scroll down, find WhatsApp, and tap Offload App. Don't worry, this does not delete your chats. It simply clears out temporary cache files and uninstalls the core app. Once offloaded, hit Reinstall App. This forces your iPhone to download the absolute newest, bug-free version of the WhatsApp without needing your App Store password. Once it's reinstalled, open WhatsApp, allow contacts if prompted, and all your messages will be right there waiting for you. Please like and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials.